here's PHOTOLEAP app, and they have a really new cool update which is called AI tools. So let's just discover how to use these AI tools inside of this app. So basically PHOTOLEAP is an app which helps you to edit photos. You can do things like remove object, you can enhance, improve quality, you can change background, you can colorize the photo, blur background, all of these things. This is not AI tools, but here you can just also now do some AI edits. This is a new major release for this app, and that's why it's kind of climbing quite high in the top charts right now. So yeah, here you have AI edits, and then there are different groups of it, just simplify things for you. So there is AI scenes, there is AI transformation, AI selfies, AI anime, AI rooms, tattoos, and cars. So this is just like major categories how you can do that. So let's just discuss. So for example, you can reimagine landscapes, landmarks, even your living room, all with the power of AI. This is just like, as I said, this is experimental feature. Sometimes it can just bring some results not quite expected. Just make sure that the scenes are well lit, ground level perspective, free of people of animals, and then things to avoid: photos of people or animals, white landscapes, photos taken at night or in low light. So let's just tap to start, and then I'll just try to get some photo of some landscape. Wait. So for example, here is just some photo. And then instantly you can see that it's applies this AI filter. So here you can see it applies outgrown filter or abandoned. Then you can also change like to graffiti, because there are some filters which are free and some of them are paid. And then you can see this, it's not like that good yet. So as you can see, this is just like a beach, and then here it just shows some graffiti wall where there is no wall here. And if I just try to select marble, that here, okay, here is better. Things like that. And then you can just customize all of these photos just to different filters. Oh, this is also quite cool. And then you can just save it. Then you can choose another image and choose all these AI things as you want. Then what you can do, you can just use AI transform. Then you can do AI selfie, AI anime, and then you can just take your room and just basically visualize how your room can look like with AI. So like, for example, if I take AI selfie, then I just tap continue, and then for example I can just choose selfie simulate. Western, so let's check out some Western stuff. Alright, so then you can just select king. So you can just play with these tools. It's pretty cool. So something like that. That's how it works. Or cars. And then in addition to all of that, you just can have all these other filters where you can just change background. So for example, if I just want to change a background, and this is not an AI tool, and then you can see something like that. It's not, it's not perfect yet. It just got a half of my headphone, and so that's basically the idea. So that's basically how it works. But to use majority of it, you need to upgrade, because most of the filters, most of the cool effects and of these removals are hidden under subscription. However, it's pretty good price, so only like $40 per year. And then there is 7-day free trial, so $40 per year is pretty nice for this kind of tool. Then if you want to see all plans, you can see that the yearly, monthly, $7 per month. I think it's also a pretty good option. However, there is no free trial probably here. So yeah, $7 per month, no trial. Here in yearly you have a trial, or one-time purchase $200. So yeah, that's what you can do here. Then you have some other things about AI terms, and then if you wanna, you can easily delete your account. But yeah, this is the app. Try it out. It's pretty cool. Yeah, and have fun.